Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some tips regarding your college life. In case you don't know me, I am Spanji Agarwal and I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology last year. So I have had my share of experiences through which I gained some lessons, and I have been meaning to make this video since a very long time. मैंने बना भी ली थी, मैंने शूट भी कर लिया था, but then I had to delay the editing process because something else important had come up. और उस चक्कर में वो वीडियोस कहीं गुम हो गई. मतलब आई नीडेड द स्टोरेज स्पेस इन माई फ़ोन, सो मैंने वो किसी तो ड्राइव की किसी फोल्डर के किसी सब फोल्डर में डाल रखी हैं वो वीडियोस, एंड I'm unable to find them. So this is basically take two to this particular video. बहुत मेहनत करनी है, and because I really want you guys to know these lessons, right? I really wish कि ये video बहुत सारे लोगों तक जाए और ये बहुत सारे लोगों को हेल्प करे. बिकॉज अगर ये लेसन्स कोई मुझे पहले दे देता, देन माई लाइफ वुड हैव बीन सो ईजी. बहुत बहुत वैल्यूएबल लेसन्स हैं which I'm going to give you in this video. So that's that, and now let's get started with the actual content.
So the very first lesson is that CGPA matters. ठीक है, कोई भी तुम्हें कुछ भी आगे बोल रहा है CGPA doesn't matter, focus on your coding skills and all of that, then either they are lying to your face or they don't know themselves how important CGPA is. Because in the final year, when placement season is going on and the companies are coming to your college to get job offers, then they set a CGPA criteria. They set some eligibility criteria for the person to even be eligible to sit for their recruitment process, which includes first eligibility criteria is that only the person with this CGPA and above can sit for a recruitment process. So I'm not saying कि भाई तुम अपनी CGPA मतलब 9.5, 10 ऐसे रखो, but at least maintain a decent CGPA so that you are eligible to sit for the placement process of good companies, right? So CGPA does matter. Okay? Like there were some people who were just spreading these rumors that CGPA won't get you anywhere. But even when you're sitting for your interviews, then it puts a good impression on the interviewer that okay, this person is sincere. Like they have decent CGPA. तो मतलब it just goes in your favor. मुझे मेरी फ्रेंड बता रही थी MBA में भी कुछ एक कट लगता है CGPA का, like एक अच्छे कॉलेज मिलने का MBA के या कोई भी और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं, राइट? So maintaining a good, decent CGPA is only going to benefit you in the long run. It's not going to harm you. The second point, do not just take advices from any person out there. In my opinion, you should only take advices from final year people who are already going through their placement season or they are already placed, right? Because they can give you the correct advice as to what interviewers are asking these days. They can see in their own batch how sort of skills are in demand, what companies are looking for right now. So I believe only those people, because third year people are also still figuring out there in their internship process. Now this brings me to my third point, which is join Unset Talks. In case you do not have a good senior to take advices from or to talk to, then Unset Talks is going to be your savior. Right. It is an organization slash society. I don't know if other colleges have it or not, but कुछ कॉलेजेस में तो ये है और मेरे कॉलेज में तो बहुत ही बढ़िया थी है. ठीक है, लाइक आई मेट अ सीनियर एंड ही हेल्प ऑल ऑफ अस सो मच. ही वाज इन हिज फाइनल ईयर और वो रोज आके अपडेट्स ऐसे मतलब हमें बताते थे कि भाई आज ये हुआ, आज ये हुआ, आज ये हुआ. सो वी वर ऑल्सो लाइक काइंड ऑफ सीरियस, क्योंकि हमारा भी थर्ड ईयर खत्म होने वाला था. तो ही हेल्ड अस so much, राइट? कि मतलब मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि भाई प्लेसमेंट सीजन में क्या होता है, कैसे करना है, राइट? मतलब अपने सेमेस्टर की पढ़ाई को अपनी प्लेसमेंट की पढ़ाई के साथ हाउ टू जगल ऑल दीज थिंग्स. नॉट जस्ट ही, बट लाइक देयर वर लाइक अ होल सेट ऑफ सीनियर्स, ठीक है, जो हेल्प करते हैं. It gives you an opportunity to interview final year placed people. How cool is that? This organization was actually introduced to me by a friend of mine and it literally changed my life. इससे ज़्यादा मुझे किसी सोसाइटी ने हेल्प नहीं की है, किसी सोसाइटी ने कुछ मुझे सिखाया नहीं है. मैंने बहुत सारी सोसाइटीज़ में पार्ट लिया है, but this is like the best society that I have been in. Which brings me to my fourth point. Societies join करना is very important. If in case you plan to sit for non-tech companies in your final year, right? So वो लोग तुम्हारे technical projects के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे. They won't ask you about your Python, C++, lead code and all of that. They will look into your extracurricular activities. तुमने पढ़ाई के अलावा और किस में पार्ट लिया है, right? If you are not aware of non-tech placements, then you should definitely ask some senior in your college. Moreover, अगर तुम्हारे पास इतने projects और इतने internships नहीं हैं, then it will help to fill up your resume as well. कुछ स्पेस अच्छी लगेगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम भर भर के तुम बस उसी के बारे में बता रहे हो कि भाई मैंने ये सोसाइटी में ये काम किया था, वो काम किया था, बट it also gives an impression that this person is an all-rounder, right? This is not just a person who is only into studies and not nerd or something like that. This person is gonna bring a vibe as well into our office. तो ये हो गया हमारा ये वाला point. I have lost the counting. चौथा या पांचवा point है. So the next point is always keep recording your memories. ठीक है, ये वाला point जो है ये मैंने अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ स्टार्ट करने से पहले किसी तो यूट्यूब वीडियो में देखा था, एंड दैट इज सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड सच अ कूल एडवाइस दैट आई हैव रिसीव्ड. मतलब आई कैन बेट दैट मेरे से ज़्यादा किसी के पास अभी तक मेमोरीज नहीं होंगी. हमने इतने सारे अच्छे मोमेंट्स स्पेंड किए हैं, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी दैट वन पर्सन इन द ग्रुप हु वुड रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैंने मतलब फन छोड़ के ये सब रिकॉर्ड करने के बारे में सोचा, बट I just used to keep the camera somewhere which would record whole the fun things or activities that we are doing. And now when I look back at those videos, it just fills me with so much love and so much happiness. Yeah, I've really had a good college life. You are going to miss all of that. So your phone nikalo, keep it somewhere and just let it record. My next point is do attend classes if you wish to. देखो दो तरीके से you guys miss classes. First is you are not able to understand what the professor is teaching. In that scenario, it's okay that you miss classes. But if you're understanding what the professor is saying and you're just missing classes out of laziness just to look cool, then that is not a good practice, right? I'm telling you, अगर तुम classes attend करोगे, so then that puts a really good image in the professor's mind. This person, this student is sincere. तुम जब भी उनके पास कोई डाउट लेने जाओगे एग्जाम से पहले, या फिर मतलब कोई भी तुम इन जनरल उनके पास क्वेरी लेके जाओगे, कोई भी तुम्हें बाद में इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स अपने बनाने होंगे, तो अगर तुम्हें उनकी हेल्प चाहिए तो they will attend you more warmly than as compared to other students. कि मतलब उन्होंने तुम्हारी शक्ल देखी हुई है, you are familiar to them, you are sincere and you are in their good books, right? तो मतलब it will only go in your benefit अगर तुम classes लगाते. Okay, so the next point is it might sound a little cliche, but it is very 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 true. You are who you surround with. So this particular statement just defines itself. I do not need to explain it in detail. I would just like to say कि भाई maintain a balance. Do not be completely unserious and do not be completely like into studies and all of that, because fests लगाना भी important है, memories बनानी भी important है. तो just maintain a healthy balance. Okay, next point. वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. मैंने अभी तक के जितने भी पॉइंट्स बोले हैं सब में से सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है, अगर तुम्हें इंटर्न प्लस FTE या कोई भी तुम्हें ऑफर मिल रहा है ना, तो पहले तो तुम अपने प्लेसमेंट से ऐसे चेक करो कि भाई वो इंटर्न प्लस FTE है या कुछ और है. तो ये मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, मुझे इंटर्न प्लस FTE का ऑफर मिला था, मतलब मेरे साथ ही नहीं जितने भी और मेरे बैच के हम सेलेक्ट हुए थे. तो बाद में जाके हमें मतलब बिल्कुल जैसे हम इंटर्नशिप ज्वाइन करने से जस्ट 1 महीना पहले हमें पता चला था कि दैट दिस इज़ नॉट इंटर्न प्लस FTE, दिस इज़ द इंटर्न प्लस PPO. और कंपनी की ये कभी गलती नहीं थी, राइट? दिस इज़ ऑलवेज स्टेटेड वेरी मच क्लियरली बाय द कंपनी साइड. डे प्लेसमेंट सेल के किसी तो बंदे ने कुछ गलती कर दी थी और हमने भुगता था. वी नो द स्ट्रेस दैट वी हैड टू गो थ्रू in all those 7-8 months. अगर हमें पहले पता होता that we are intern plus PPO, we would have applied in other companies for FTE role. There were so many companies who just came for FTE role, क्योंकि उनको पता होता है कि intern plus PPO के लिए काफ़ी कंपनियाँ उठा के ले गई होंगी, तो एंड में कंपनीज आती हैं FTE, only FTE के लिए. And we had no idea. We were on cloud 9 कि हमें तो intern भी मिल गया, हमें FTE भी मिल गया. There is nothing to worry about. It was very much clear from the company side. It was not company's fault. It was only something in the placement cell, someone in the placement cell who did this mistake, and we had to pay for that, right? With all the stress and everything that we have to go through. So always check with your placement cell that 10 बार check करना, 10 बार check करवाना. Is it that only which is written in जो भी तुम्हें application form भर के आते हैं, वो जो form होता है उसमें लिखा होता है नीचे लास्ट में कि भाई ये क्या ऑफर कर रही है कंपनी. तो मतलब अच्छे से पूछ लेना उनसे, मतलब कंफर्म करवा लेना। तो ये मतलब ये तो हुआ था। और the next point is people sometimes get into this mindset that we only want tech companies or we only want non-tech companies. But I would suggest you guys to shoot for both of them because it will increase your chances of getting placed. Because non-tech companies itni nahi aati hain. They and the people who shoot for non-tech companies, who want to get into non-tech companies, are like in good quantity. So yeah, you should shoot for both of them because obviously it will increase your chances of getting placed because you want to be placed at the end. And now just to complete the video, I will give you some miscellaneous advices जो सब लोग ही बोलते हैं. So it is, first of all, do not misbehave with professors. They can get you so many things like capstone projects. They can help you in doubt solving. They can even get you internships, right? So behave well with professors. अपनी मस्ती वस्ती करते रहना, ठीक है? Make good memories. Like these 4 years of your life will never come back. So enjoy to the fullest. Make memories. Indulge yourself in as many activities as you can. If you wanted to do something in your school time but you were shy or you couldn't do something, right? Just take this opportunity in your college life, right? Like अगर तुम्हें कभी तुम्हें अच्छी सिंगिंग भी नहीं आती है but you want to just sing a song for your self fulfillment, तो तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है, एंकरिंग से लेके पेंटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स जाने, सब कुछ ट्राई करना. So now that is it for this video and I will see you in my next video very soon.